Hello guys, welcome to another video for our channel Grobs review and unboxing. Today I'm gonna share with you one unboxing from this smart can that I bought on Shopee website, right? It's from Tuya brand. Okay, so let's go. So the package came like this, so you can see we have some damage a little bit, but it's okay. So this product came from China, right? So let's open up the box. So here we have a small box containing some cables inside. Let's see what we have here. The camera itself, and also one quick guide here to install the app and so on. Okay, let's see here what we have here in this small box. That's it. So we have here the mounting piece for plug your camera into the wall, right? So all we can see here is also it can be broken already, so I have to do some adjustments here to use this wall support here, but no problem. We also have two screws, right, to use together with this support. And here we have one micro USB cable to USB. Okay, it's almost 60 millimeters, so it's not too short. And here we have a protection bag here, plastic, and here's the camera itself. Okay, so very cool camera. It's a 360 camera, right? Two-way audio, so you can hear and also speak through the camera, right? So here the holes to use the wall support. Here we have a small rubber here when you use over the table, on the table, so it's not moving at all. Okay, you can see here. So as I mentioned, the camera goes around 360 on this way and almost 90 degrees up and down. Okay, we also have night vision, right? So here's the speaker, here probably is the mic, right, both ways. Let's see here also some features from this camera. So it's HD video recorder, multi-user, so you can have multiple users in different devices. You need to use a mobile app, night vision as I mentioned earlier, two-way audios, motion detector. Yeah, this is also a cool feature, so you can set your camera to start to move with the object, right? Storage cloud, okay, or cloud storage. So these features you have to pay for it, right? But you can also use a micro USB up to 198 gigabytes. Okay, it's also connected to Wi-Fi network. So this is the camera, right, itself. So it's a short video. I will do a review video showing the quality of the image and so on. Okay, so please hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with all your friends. Thank you.